Welcome to a new video on AlHuTV. Today, I'm a bit hidden behind our eufyMake UV curing machine E1. That's the name of this model here, which is a bit concealed behind me. The beautiful images you can see here were ultimately created with this UV printer. Here we have a canvas, and here as well, even three-dimensional. Let's definitely take another look at that. Super awesome. I'll make a bit of space in a moment so we can see the printer a little better. Here we have a metal sign. Yes, made to look vintage. We'll take a closer look at that as well. It's really awesome. As I said, with the 3D print, we have up to 5 millimeters here, where the whole thing stands out from the picture frame. That's how this 3D effect is created. Here we have regular canvas, which I printed on, and a lot more, which I've hidden a bit back here, because otherwise it would just be too much up front. And I think it's so awesome. Of course, we also have a laminator here for stickers. We also have something here for rotation. So, a lot of really cool things, and we're going to take a closer look at them in the video in just a moment. Yeah, I'd say let's just get started right away. Up here at the front, we can also see a small illuminated sign, basically, that we have here. That one is also printed, and I've printed a lot of things. Among other things, one of my highlights is this metal sign here. We're going to talk about that in just a moment as well. As I said, our main focus today is definitely on the printer. Like I mentioned, the gadgets we have here, like the rotary stickers, we'll take a look at those too. But let's stick to the core business, namely the UV E1 or eufyMake UV Curer E1 to be precise. It's really cool. What was a bit difficult, of course, were these direct shots. I'll show it right away so you can see how something like this is made here with the metal sign, because that's how it is. You can't see much here because it actually just barely moves over this cartridge here. And because of that, you can't really see much in the footage. Nevertheless, I think you can still get a pretty good impression. I took a lot of shots, at least that's what I want to give you. An idea of how the whole thing works here. And as I said, the results, especially the results, speak for themselves anyway. That's why we still have to take a closer look at the whole thing. As I said, let's take a closer look at it under the camera as well, so you can really see the effect and what this UV printer is capable of. So the images here are filled. Yes, the three-dimensional aspect is definitely present. Really awesome. So I'd say let's take a look at it for the first time right now, because I want to get started right away so you can immediately get an impression of what today is all about. So this is the sign that you've already seen beforehand here in a time lapse, and you really have to take a look at it. So all of this here, it's not just, well, I hope it comes across. I'm trying to hold it a bit to the side so you can see it better. This isn't flat, it's built up. It actually goes down a millimeter here, up here. You see it has a real texture on it. You can also see the light doesn't reflect here. It's not smooth or anything, but yeah, it's really awesome. I hope you can see that. It's really nice. When you work a bit with the light like this, then you can see how the individual objects actually come out of this sign here. So this is a metal sign. We can use over 300 materials here that we can print on. Metal is one of them, and as you can see, it just looks absolutely amazing. So this was actually one of my highlights. I have to say though, there wasn't anything I didn't like. Definitely not. The printer works so precisely, you really have to say that. Here, everything is covered in terms of color. We have an extremely high resolution of 1440 dots per inch. We have a flatbed here as well, so I can show you that. Now it's in the way, yeah. So we need to make a little space. Alright, it's in here, you can take it out. I can show you that as well. In the end, you can use the small flatbed here. We also have a large one included here. And if you optionally get some additional accessories, like the rotary attachment, you can also insert it here. Everything is detected fully automatically here. The app is amazing. It's really well translated, especially in German. Truly excellent translation. There are inspirations from other creators included, basically. You can recreate the whole thing yourself here. That's what I did here as well. Is really cool. There are lots of ideas here. But you can also get really creative with JTGP Diva and bring your image onto paper, onto metal, onto wood, or onto a canvas, however you like it. And the whole thing works really well. Super cool. It's similar to a laser. We have two cameras up here inside. the whole thing gets measured. We have a snapshot here. Then, just like with a laser, you can place the whole thing in here. Basically, in our case, I'll do it here. As you can see in the overlay on this magnetic canvas I have here, the small one, it's like this. You can edit it in the app afterwards. You can then place it in here. You can really edit everything you want directly from the app. You can select the material, you can choose the resolution, you can set everything you want here. The whole thing is still completely AI supported, that is with the cameras and with the placement. And here we really have a complete all-in-one system. And then we also have a self-cleaning function included when we're done. So it also calibrates fully. And then we simply have this beautiful result here. I'd also like to show you this again under the camera. This is what it looks like. So it's a kind of magnet, basically a small canvas that we have here, which you can attach here. This was, in the end, printed completely in just 7 minutes, really quickly. You can also do the whole thing here with a different design. You can do it with your kids, you can do it with grandma. You're extremely flexible with it. As I said, the whole process is fully automatic here. You just place it in here, it gets measured, and then you can get started right away. Afterwards, as I said, the print head also cleans itself completely automatically. On the outside here is a cleaning unit, and the ink cartridges are inside here. You can take them out here, basically. And then when they're empty, you can replace them just like with a printer. There's a liquid inside, you can swap it out, click it back in, and the printer is ready to use again. So the whole system is super easy, no effort required, it all works fully automatically. And the app, it really blew me away. The app is incredible. You can really see what the whole thing is capable of, especially later during the rotation. We'll get to that later because that was truly amazing. So the small flatbed is in here. It's not that big, but it's enough for the smaller items. In the end, I just printed a phone case here as an example. Printing something like this is really quick and easy here. It's definitely ready within just a few minutes. As I said, the small flatbed is more than enough for that. The result speaks for itself and is done super quickly. So I want to show you this. You can see it's really solid. It doesn't come off or anything like that. It's really printed on super firmly and it looks cool too. And then there's the large flatbed, which I also want to show you. Of course, this one is also detected fully automatically. As you can see, it's right in here. You can open it up here at the front where you can already see it, or you can open the whole thing at the back. So what we have here at the front, you can also open at the back. Then you can simply insert the flatbed here. It will then be detected fully automatically. That, of course, is enough for the larger items as well. So as I said, the metal sign is one example, but also this canvas. And I definitely want to show you this again because you might already be able to see it. It's already 3-dimensional. That's really cool. I'll show it to you directly under the camera. So this is also printed on. It took a while, I think about 2.5 hours. It takes a bit of time. Depending on the complexity, take a look at this. I'll try to show it to you like this as well. We have a structure here. I think it looks better and better with the lighting like this. There's a real texture to it. Even these scales we have here from this dragon. I'll move a bit closer. They're really recessed here, these grooves. That's really a scale, yeah. You can see you can't just slide over it, you get caught here. And that's really awesome. Printed on. Take a look at this. I really want to show you the quality as well. How amazing this is. So just take a look at this. The resolution here is really awesome. And then you have this 3-dimensional design here. I think it doesn't even come across that well here. I'll try to show it a bit more like this. You can already see how it pops out here. And then this cool dragon appears. A really awesome design. And the whole thing, as I said, I got from the app, from the inspiration section. There's a subsection called inspiration, and there are lots of suggestions. And I just saw this there. It's just awesome. The whole thing is automatically measured on the canvas here. You can adjust it however you like, make it a bit smaller up to the edge. No problem at all. And then it all gets started. So really cool. I also simplified the whole thing here and did it again here on the canvas. I'd like to briefly show that as well. That was of course very easy. You need a lot less paint here. And of course the processing time is also much shorter. And the result, as I said, depending on what you want to print, if you want to print three-dimensionally here, or just print flat as usual, it works just as well here. Here too, the result of this print is amazing. This print quality is absolutely incredible, I really have to say. That's what's awesome here when you get to test things like this as a product tester. There are things like this, they're really awesome when you get to try out something new like this. I really liked that a lot. And above all, I love how versatile the whole thing is. And someone who might already be offering 3D models, maybe with a laser, working on things for weddings, for baptisms, communions and so on, all the things coming up here for Easter celebrations. And if you need something like this as an addition to your business space, then of course, with a print like this, you're set. That's pretty cool. You can offer something that a lot of others can't. I especially like these three-dimensional pictures, wedding photos, and so on. That's really quite special and definitely sets you apart from the crowd, you have to say. So really cool piece of equipment. I absolutely loved it. The possibilities, the quality, especially the quality, is just insane. I can only rave about it. Before we get to the rotation in a moment, I made a few stickers as well. Those were no problem either, and I want to show them to you directly under the camera because I deliberately made them in different sizes. And with the stickers, I also made another one which I'll show you on screen. It's pretty easy. You pick a design, print the whole thing, and then you can just run it through the laminator here, let it pass through, and then you can peel it off, and then you stick it on. So it's applied like a negative, you peel it off, and then you really only have the design itself without any border. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, I've made a few different sizes now, and here too the quality always stays the same. And as you can see, I've made it smaller and smaller each time. Even the quality here, I don't even know if the camera can capture it, is great even at the small size. It's amazing. You can already see that the quality is always there. Whether it gets bigger or smaller, it never gets worse. And in theory, you can now cut it out and peel off the film here. I ran it through the laminator here, as you can see. Now it comes off, and then you basically have the negative, which you then apply. That's how it works with the sticker. So even that is really super cool. I just think it's absolutely amazing. I like the device so much that I'm gonna keep using it in my basement. I really like it. It's just incredible. We still have the rotation here. So the rotation is still here. And then I was really amazed. I really have to show it directly because it's actually hard to explain otherwise. So the fascinating thing about the rotation here is ultimately that the cup is fully recognized. The whole thing is measured here with a laser, and then the rotation automatically adjusts itself. I say automatically. And then what you often get with cheap or inexpensive devices, or often with lasers in general, is that when you have something round, well, then it's always relatively easy. Or practically, if it's a bit conical, then it gets difficult. And here it completely adapts itself, so that the surface rotates absolutely straight, ensuring the print quality is also right. It's just totally brilliant that everything is fully measured, and it gets even cooler when you actually produce something here using the rotation. And the app even asks you if the cup has a handle. So even that is measured and taken into account. And the result has always been absolutely amazing. Honestly, it's really fascinating how well everything is measured. And then you can also make cups with handles and so on. Unbelievable. At first I had no idea about any of this, and it absolutely blew me away. Just take a look at this, okay? This is the cup here with the handle that we have, and everything is printed right here. This is now my new cup, yes, with my logo on it. The handle is taken into account here. Where else do you find something like that? Honestly, that's really awesome, and it's placed exactly opposite the handle. The precision of the measurement is just incredible. Shall we take another look at this here as well? I did the same thing here too, and again, it's really cool. The whole thing, a cup, printed awesomely, and the print is slightly raised. Yes, you can see it here as well, just slightly. It stands out by maybe about 1 millimeter. So it's honestly really awesome. And last but not least, maybe here as well, for anyone who might want a mug like this, here in a different design. This too, take a look at it, also in terms of the level of difficulty. So you really have to see how the whole thing is curved here. And the print, top notch. Honestly, that's something someone else has to try to replicate first. I mean, the printer? And it's not just because of the rotation, but simply because of the types of surfaces it can print on. For sure. That's what makes it able to print on so many things. Like I said, glass, metal, leather. As I mentioned, over 300 materials are supported. We have a complete system here. It arrives fully assembled. That's another thing. You don't have to assemble anything yourself. So the device comes ready to use. You just have to insert the cartridges. Of course, they come individually packaged. And then you just have the power plug. And then the whole thing is ready to use. The rotation is detected fully automatically via the pins inside where the plate is attached. The same goes for the flatbed, which is a bit larger. That too is detected fully automatically. Honestly, that's awesome. Super easy, brutal quality on one hand. Amazing, honestly, I've hardly seen anything better so far. This whole thing just blew me away. So I almost have to exaggerate now, rave about it, but if you use it yourself and check it out, you'll be just as blown away. And that's the awesome part, so you should definitely down below, in the description, click on it and take a look. You'll definitely, I don't even know if there's anything better on the market, you'll definitely be impressed. I totally am, because I'm a huge fan of this kind of thing, and it really got to me. Maybe that's why I'm in such an extremely positive mood. But it really is. There was nothing about it that didn't work, no issues at all. Whether it's the calibration, which is automatic, or that the pressure is just right, everything here worked absolutely perfectly across the board. Especially the app. I showed it to you earlier with that thing, here with the magnets, how you can edit everything in the app. It's just top notch. We don't need a PC or anything like that here at all. In any way whatsoever, you can set everything up via the app over Wi-Fi. Everything is doable here. Everything I set up here I did with the app. The operation is super easy. Awesome. Honestly, maybe I'm exaggerating a bit, but I promise you, you should definitely check it out and you'll be absolutely thrilled. Because I've never had anything this cool before. Seriously, it's really awesome. Again, down below. Everything is linked in the description. I hope I was able to give you a good idea of it. It's just awesome. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Maybe there's something else you want to know about it. Then you'd like to share that as well. As I said, the printing times are also indicated here. In the app, it tells you how much effort the printing will take. Also, how much of the cartridge is needed here. That's another thing to consider. We have different options here. As I said, you can use the whole thing for business purposes or in your hobby room, but especially in the business sector. Of course, it's important to know how much ink I'm using and how much the whole thing is going to cost me. And of course, there are a few calculation examples from the manufacturer as well, where it's shown again how profitable it can be if you have the right idea. That's clear. And if I take this dragon I showed you here, it really looks absolutely amazing. And if you sell something like that, it's obviously quite lucrative from a business perspective. But as I said, read through it in the description below and form your own opinion. Personally, I can definitely recommend it to you. Absolutely one of the best highlight products I've had this year so far, and even last year because it impressed me so much. So as I said, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time on AlHuTV,